One of my favorite things to do is to cook over the fire. And recently went on an amazing camping trip. And everybody started to put their egg orders in for breakfast. And we had a whole lot of ladles at the campsite. So I just handed one to everyone. And then we had all these toppings. And everyone cooked their own eggs to their liking, because I like a hard egg. So today I'm going to show you how to perfect the perfect ladle egg. Let's get cracking. I have a ton of ladles here, which is great, all different sizes. I'm going to go for a medium one. I always like to spray and cook them first, but you can just rub a little butter or a little bit of olive oil or canola oil, whatever kind of grease you have. Crack it into the bowl first. And if you want to season, then salt and pepper, whatever you want, a little bit of like dried herbs, mixed herbs, or whatever. But I've got this fantastic new product, which is fantastic on eggs and also deep fried chips. And then just add a little bit so that your seasoning is there. Look at that. Great. Always butter, as you know. And then you're just going to place it onto medium coals. And then what is great is just, if you do have a tripod or two, is just to nestle the ladle in the coals so that they could cook, otherwise you're going to burn away. And as you can see, I've got a lovely pan of chakalaka bubbling away, and I'm even going to use, as one of the toppings, I want to show you many toppings, is the Woolies shakshuka. So you can have individual shakshukas. I can't be just having an egg by myself, so I need some help. Calypso, come and join my braai. Have you ever had a ladle egg?
No.
Never. So basically, I've sprayed and cooked for you. You know, it's all about the prep.
Yes.
Now you should just break your egg in there. Do you want me to do it for you?
Yes, break an egg.
That's why you can't do this by yourself. Let's have a look at that. Bubble, bubble, boil and trouble. Okay, let's just break that in.
I like my egg.
I knew you were going to come with an order.
Yes.
Just like my friends.
And no shells.
Oh, is there a shell there? Whoopsie. Let's do that. But we are pretending to be on a camping trip, hey?
Yes.
There we go. That's beautiful. There we go. Hard. It's not hard to do.
Okay, and then
They just nestle it in there, yeah. And just hold it there because it's quite hot. Maybe let's try it. I've never done this, but I know it's going to work. Shakshuka.
Shakshukery.
Skills, yes.
Okay.
Cool. But don't knock mine over, hey? Look at that, Calypso. Look at it.
Looks so cool.
And then you can kind of just give it a wiggle and a wobble. Listen to that. Sounds like a fried egg in a frying pan on a Sunday morning. Okay, so we always need a little bit of toast for our eggies. So I'm just going to put them onto a cast iron pan on the hot coals. Make a little bit of olive oil. These are going to make the perfect dippy egg soldiers, which I used to have as a kid. Now we need the toppings. I'm going a little bit fancy. I've got Parmesan, because I've already had some orders from the crew behind the scenes. Parmesan. Yum, beautiful. Adore these. Add a little bit of crunch, a little bit of spring onion to this one. Don't forget the chakalaka, my favorite. Crispy chili, anything chili, especially for Calypso. Look at that. And I think with that, some avo, some coriander. You can either cut them into soldiers or you can just break the bread. And look at that. And then you just add some chorizo. Just make it your own. These are really it's like pizza night. Lovely, creamy ricotta. Let's try it. Nice, big taste. Excuse me. Chakalaka egg wins hands down. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get cracking. Now that sounded really bad. Oh,